Hey, it's Jonathan with Mobility Lift Aids in Houston, Texas. Here in front of me is a 2026 Toyota Sienna Hybrid XLE all-wheel drive with 31 miles. This van has a VMI side entry Northstar conversion. Go ahead and hit the out button on the ramp, and the ramp will begin to deploy, and the van will also start to kneel. Taking a look at the ramp, we have a 30-inch wide ramp, and the door opening is 56 inches tall. Coming inside, we do have L-track on the flooring here. Our nice seats for the 3-seater in the back. Front 2 seats are removable on their bases there, and we can add a transfer seat to either of these seats if needed. Take a look around the van here. And of course, here at Mobility Lift Aids, all of our vehicles do come with a set of Q strings included at no additional charge. Here in the back, we also have our front license plate bracket, and there is our optional cup holder installed there for the 3rd row seat. Very nice space in the trunk area there. Definitely fit a few suitcases. Here on the mirror, we do have our integrated blind spot monitor. And gray interior looks great in this vehicle. Power driver seat. Here we do have automatic headlight, automatic high beams, along with the 120 volt outlet installed. And here are the ramp buttons as well right underneath. We have ramp in and out, the ramp on and off, and at the bottom we have the kneeling rocker for on and off for the kneel. Take a look at the interior here. And we do have our drive mode selector there at the bottom as well for sport or efficient. This vehicle also does have heated seats here in the front 2 seats. Let us know what you think about this vehicle. If you'd like to see it in person or see any more of it, you can reach us at 713-939-9922. You can also reach us online at texaswheelchairvan.com. Thank you.